Hello class, welcome to week 6. So remember, as always, like I like to remind you that you checked your announcements at the start of the week, as this is my primary form of communication during the week. Let's look at week 6. We are getting down to the wire now. We have 3 weeks of class left. So getting around that final turn. This week we're going to be covering a lot of different topics that are discussed here. You're going to be reading chapter 15 in your textbook with cultural and organizations. It has a note here that makes sure that it's really important for you to read and complete this prior to posting on the discussion board in order for you to really thoroughly understand and respond to the prompt. So make sure you complete your reading. Keep working on your cultural similarities paper. It has there that it should be complete and edited by the end of the week, but it's not due until week 7, the end of week 7. So next week is when it's due. But really work on this. It's probably important. You definitely want to get your interview done by the end of this week, but really I want to make sure that you are finishing it off, making it look nice, and getting ready to submit it for next week. It's due next Sunday, February 25th by midnight. So make sure that you're continuing to work on that. In regards to what is graded this week, you have your discussion board. You're to complete your initial posting Thursday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 2 of your peers Sunday by midnight. As well, you have your week 6 quiz, where it's going to be 25 multiple choice questions on chapter 15, and that is due Sunday by midnight and is worth 25 points. I will do an item analysis once everyone has completed the quiz. Down here has the prompt for your discussion board for this week. And that's it. So continue to work on your paper that is due at the end of week 7, your cultural similarities paper, and get your discussion board in and finish the quiz. And keep working hard. We're getting near the end. Reach out to me if you need me. I'm always here to support you as you need. Another reminder, you should be sometime soon getting your student opinion survey. Please fill this out. Let me know how I've been doing as your instructor, what you liked, what you might not have liked. Make sure you reflect upon the actual course shell, the textbook, the assignments. We do take these evaluations seriously. I know personally I like to read them and make sure that I know what I'm doing well and areas that I need to improve, because I really do want to be here to support you all and to provide you with what you wanted out of this course. So please fill them out when you get them. If you don't fill them out, then I don't know how the course is, how I'm doing, etc. So take the time to do that. We do really value that. And that is it. Reach out to me if you need me, okay? Thank you. Have a great week.